Hey gang, welcome to our first JavaScript tutorial video. Now in this video we're going to be looking at how to add JavaScript to an HTML document. Now this is done by using the script tag. Now the script tag can be placed in the head section of your HTML or in the body section. Now you should know that it should always go to the head section. This is to keep the code contained and out of your main content. Alright, so let's see an example. So first of all, you have to open your script tag. Alright, so whatever you put in here, whatever JavaScript code you put in here would run the entire alright, so let us see an example of a little example. If we want to display today's date in my web page, I'm going to do that. I'll say let d to be equals to new date. Now do not get confused on how I am doing all of this. So over time I'm going to explain what each of these concepts mean. So I'm going to alert it to the screen and say, okay, today's date, quote, and say today's date is. So I need to alert that today's date is, and then it should log in the date for today. Alright, so this will enable the web page to display an alert with the current date regardless of when the user loads the site. So if I put this here, even if you are loading the site 2 days later or 3 days later, it will log in the new date. So let me run this. If I run this, so you're going to see an alert that says today's date is Thursday, 5th of September 2024, even with the time and our GMT time zone too. Alright, so if you want to put this in the body, if you want to display it on your web page itself, you can do that by putting your script tag in your body section. So if I cut this out and put it here, so I'm not going to use alert anymore. I'm going to change this since I want it to display on the web page itself. So I'm going to use document.body inner HTML which is equals to the let me reduce this. That says today's date is going to log in the date on the web page itself. And I run this, so you can see that today's date is Thursday, so it has logged it on the web page itself. So to do that, you use the document.body.inner.html, which I'm going to explain in coming videos. Alright, so either you put it in the head section or you put it in the body section, and you can also use an external JavaScript document. And how do you do that? So if I cut this out and put it here, okay, so I can also cut this. Okay, let me not cut this out. So you log it in the body by putting script, then you put the source of the web page itself, and it is scripts.js. That's the name of the file. Remember how I told you how to log in external CSS? So you put in the source file here, which is scripts.js, and that's pretty much it. So if I run this, it should still do the same, it should still log in the same. So you see that, yeah, it's right there. Alright, so we're going to look at more in-depth videos coming, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.